All right, so these 2 cup super cubes have been great for freezing things like soups and chili beans if you're doing meal prep, or if you're like me and you just can't eat an entire pot of soup at one time before it sits in the refrigerator and goes bad. You can freeze some for later. So I have made some cabbage beef tomato soup in my super cubes, and I do want to say I love this Super Cubes brand over other brands because the side itself is completely reinforced all around. I'll insert a clip here of me actually filling these up with soups, but it made it very, very sturdy when it was liquidy in soup. It didn't feel like the silicone is very thick. It doesn't like cave in or anything. I was able to carry it, put it right on the freezer without, spilling it or anything. Now, the thing about super cubes that I also have found is different from other brands of like freezer trays is the fact that these lids literally snap tight on. They give you that airtight. So not only does it help prevent freezer burn while you're freezing, but it also stops any of those smells or anything from your freezer. Of course, when you are done freezing, these cubes pop right out. All you need to do is just press on. Woo! About put it in the floor. All you need to do is press up on the silicone, and this is a perfect 2 cup portion of soup. Look at that. So I can save this for later, and I can just grab me out one portion. But these just pop out so easily. And the super cubes themselves are dishwasher safe, so they are easy to clean. And 2 of these cubes fit perfectly beside each other, like in a gallon Ziploc bag. So you can actually fit 4 cubes for the 2 piece set. This does also come in a 1 piece set in these Ziploc bags. All right, and this is what my soups look like, and they are in individual portions, so I can just take one out as I need it. I find the 2 cup to be the perfect size for soup, stews, and all of that.